here's what I want to say to you, all of you. Hillary's basically run on 4 big issues. One, most important, securing this economic recovery and making sure that the benefits are broadly shared, that people actually have a chance to participate in it. Okay, we heard you. And this guy, he really thinks you came to see him. So give him a big hand and maybe he'll know you got it. Thank you. And thank you. So the other thing. Okay, we got it. We got it. Thank you. So wait. Thank you. We got it. Will you please quit now? Thank you. Thank you. Give him a hand. Let me tell you something. At least that guy's for something. He didn't come here to badmouth anybody, and we ought to give him a hand. In this world, that's rare enough.